If you are wondering what Neville Goddard's saying, "Everyone is you pushed out," means, you have clicked on the right video. In this video, I will explain to you the meaning of this phrase and how you can employ this philosophy to manifest perfection, satisfaction, and happiness in your life. This video is going to give you a hint of my perspective, and after watching this video, you will start seeing this world from a different angle. So watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and pressing the bell icon for the latest video. So let's get right to it. Well, "Everyone is you pushed out" is Neville Goddard's famous phrase that he taught his students to explain to them that the world that they see and experience is an extension of themselves. Neville Goddard said that it takes people to the center of their lives where they can make decisions and take actions to change their lives and transform their reality instead of being victimized by situations and circumstances. He said, "We are the God of our reality. No one else creates our reality for us." He discussed how we are not at the mercy of others and how people see things. If you know what you want, you can imagine a scene before taking action of what would happen after you have manifested your desire. What you experience in your life, how people react to your situation, and what they think of you is a reflection of yourself. Different manifestation teachers have stated this in their own words and have explained it in different ways. But it is easy to understand, and it really makes sense and sounds true. In other words, this phrase can be translated as, you can't blame other people for the things and circumstances you are experiencing in your life because you have got the power to change the situation. You are the master of your life. The life you are now living is a result of decisions you made in the past, so what's happening to you right now is because of you. If you had taken a different decision, your situation would be different now. This is a really hard concept for those people who have grown up thinking and believing that other people are responsible for their situation and the circumstances of their lives, but it is true. So if you want to live a different life, make a decision, take a step, and then you will change the whole scenario. So don't blame anyone for anything that happened to you, and know that a new life, new experiences, and a new reality are just a step away. If you have got the courage to take that step, you will not suffer anymore. In one of his lectures, Neville Goddard said, "Learn to control your wonderful imagination and you will discover that the whole vast world is yourself pushed out." Now guys, this is really very interesting. If you can understand what it means, you will definitely start seeing the whole vast world from a different perspective. As you know, our actions are a result of our imagination and our beliefs, right? And your whole life is the result of your actions and decisions. So we can modify the original saying and transform it into a new one, such as your whole life, including your experiences and all the circumstances of your life, is a result of your imagination. And if you had a different imagination, your life would be different now. So in other words, we can say that you can change your reality by changing your imagination, your perspective, and the way you see things. It is hard to believe, but in fact, it is true that what happens in our lives is because of our own decisions and actions, and even in some cases, our reactions and behavior. It is true and makes sense when it is put to practical use, and this philosophy is proved by scientists as well. You know, according to science, each of us experiences the world differently. It's because we all have different imaginations, different perspectives, different mindsets and beliefs. Your mind narrates your story to you, based on the beliefs you have about a particular situation. You see, it is obvious that different communities can view one person differently. There isn't one truth to how a person is perceived. Now you see, while we might love one person, that particular person is hated by other people. Some things are good for us, but the same things are hated by other people in the world, so it's all our imagination that shapes our reality. We can change how we see the world by changing our imagination, our way of thinking, and our opinion. That's why Neville Goddard said that consciousness is the only reality. If you want to change the situation and circumstances of your life, or if you want to have different experiences, then in that case, you will have to work on yourself. You can make the situation different by changing your imagination and thinking because your reality depends upon what's inside your head. You might not change the world or you might not change your situation. But if you have a different perspective and a different opinion, you can make things appear differently to you. That's how you can change your whole life, by changing your imagination and thinking. Now I will explain to you how you can use this philosophy to manifest a better version of yourself, a better life, or anything that you desire. You know, it's not a manifestation technique, but you can surely manifest anything in your life if you believe in this philosophy and do the things as said. When you know that you are in control of your mind and your imagination, then you know what the exact cause of your present situation is. Knowing that your reality is a product of your imagination inspires you to work on developing the desired imagination that will allow you to manifest your desire. What I'm saying is that if you want to manifest a specific goal in your life, you have to look into your mind and figure out what you believe about that thing. What do you think about your desire? If your imagination supports your desire, then you can easily manifest it. Remember that you are always in control of your reality, rather than thinking it is what happens to you. And it all helps you focus on your present moment, rather than worrying about your future. The answer you have been looking for years is within you. When you want somebody to behave well towards you, you have to change yourself, because the behavior of others is a reflection of your own. If you want to change others' behavior towards you, you have to change your behavior first. If somebody behaves towards you in a non-ideal way, don't react to it in a bad way. You can simply change their behavior by reacting in a particular way. Visualize a situation in which they are behaving the way you want. It doesn't necessarily mean you are controlling them. When you change how you react to them, they will also change their behavior because the world is a reflection of you. So you can employ this philosophy to manifest everything you want. When you know how to change your perspective and you dare to change your mindset, then you can manifest your desired outcome. This phrase is really amazing, and it has helped a lot of people in the world to change their mindset in order to change their reality. Everything that happens to you is linked to your mindset and your imagination. You know, many people in their lives keep on suffering due to their own actions and decisions, but if they try to fix their imagination, they can come out of the bad situation. It's an easy process. If you do this, you will see instant results in most cases. The majority of situations, circumstances, and experiences are a result of our actions, behaviors, mentality, imagination, thoughts, and opinions. So in some cases, our imagination is the main suffering or problem for us. If we change our perspective and opinion, we will get rid of what we are suffering from. Remember that it all starts with your imagination. You are the master of your life and the creator of your reality. If you don't change yourself, you will keep on suffering. A new life with new experiences is just a step away. It involves changing your imagination. So take that first step and shift your reality. Now before we finish the video, let's hear two of the most famous Neville Goddard's quotes that will make us understand more about this topic. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. And the second one is, stop trying to change the world since it is only the mirror. Man's attempt to change the world by force is as fruitless as breaking a mirror in the hope of changing his face. Leave the mirror and change your face. Leave the world alone and change your conceptions of yourself. The reflection then will be satisfactory. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.